If you've ever uploaded a video and thought, why does this look so blurry? You need to hear this. Most creators are making silent mistakes that destroy their video quality. Blurry faces, pixelated anime clips, wrong formats, and massive file sizes that take forever to upload. And the worst part? You don't even notice until it's too late. So if you're tired of your videos looking unprofessional, keep watching. I'm about to show you how to fix all of this in the simplest way possible. Trust me, once you learn these tricks, your content will never look the same. In this video, I'm going to show you how I personally use Wondershare UniConverter to enhance video quality, convert videos into the right formats, compress files without killing quality, and batch process multiple clips easily. Let's start with the video enhancer, because this is where most creators instantly notice the difference. When you're working with face footage, whether it's a vlog, an interview, or a clip taken from an older or compressed video, small details matter. Things like skin texture, facial edges, and overall clarity are usually the first things that get lost. What I like here is that the face enhancement doesn't rely on manual sliders or complicated settings. You simply select the model, and the AI automatically detects facial regions, improves sharpness, and restores details in a way that still looks natural. The real test is when you compare the original clip with the enhanced version side by side. That's when you start noticing how much cleaner and more professional the footage looks, especially on larger screens. And this is just the first enhancement model. There's more coming next. Now, take a quick look at this. On one side is the original clip, and on the other is the enhanced result. The difference is subtle, but once you notice it, you can't unsee it. Now, let's talk about anime enhancement, because animated footage has a completely different problem. With anime or stylized clips, the issue isn't faces or skin texture. It underscore toggle, but clarity, line sharpness, and compression artifacts. Older or downloaded anime clips often lose clean edges, colors look washed out, and fine details get blurred. This enhancement model is designed specifically for that. Instead of trying to treat it like real-life footage, the AI focuses on restoring line definition, improving color separation, and cleaning up compression noise while keeping the original art style intact. When you compare the original clip with the enhanced version, the difference shows up in the outlines, the textures, and how crisp everything feels, especially in motion. What makes this even more useful is how well it handles difficult scenes. In anime footage, backgrounds, gradients, and fast camera movements are usually where quality breaks down first. You start seeing blocky compression, uneven colors, and lines that feel soft or unstable. This enhancement works by stabilizing those details across frames, so the video feels more consistent from start to finish. It doesn't push artificial sharpness or oversaturate colors, which is important, because that can easily ruin the original artwork. Instead, the result feels refined and balanced, almost like the footage was sourced at a higher quality to begin with. This is especially noticeable during action sequences or wide shots, where everything looks cleaner and more readable without distracting artifacts. And when you switch back to the original clip after watching the enhanced version, the loss of clarity becomes obvious, which is usually the best sign that the enhancement is actually doing its job. Now, take a quick look at this. On one side is the original clip, and on the other is the enhanced result. Now, let's move on to Topaz Generative Enhancement, which is designed for more demanding scenarios where standard enhancement isn't enough. This model focuses on reconstructing fine details rather than just sharpening what's already there. It analyzes the video frame by frame and uses Generative AI to restore textures, edges, and depth that are usually lost in heavily compressed or low-resolution footage. This is especially useful for older clips, zoomed-in shots, or videos where facial and background details look soft or washed out. What stands out here is that the enhancement feels more natural and balanced instead of artificially sharp. When you compare the original footage with the enhanced result, you'll notice improved clarity, cleaner edges, and better overall definition, particularly in motion. This makes the footage look more refined and suitable for modern displays without changing its original character. Now, take a quick look at this. On one side is the original clip, and on the other is the enhanced result. Now let's move to one of the most powerful and underrated parts of UniConverter, the video converter itself, because this isn't just about changing formats, it's about choosing the right format for the right purpose. UniConverter intelligently analyzes your video and gives AI-based format recommendations, so you don't have to guess whether you should export in MP4, MOV, or something more advanced. For everyday use and social media, MP4 is perfect. It's lightweight, compatible everywhere, and maintains great quality. If you're working with professional editing workflows or Apple-based systems, MOV gives you higher flexibility and better post-production performance. So far, we've covered some of the most underrated but powerful features of UniConverter. They're useful, efficient, and practical. But now, we're moving on to what I consider the best feature in the entire software: the video compressor. This is where UniConverter really saves you time and storage. Large video files are one of the biggest problems creators deal with, especially when exporting high-quality footage or uploading content online. With UniConverter's video compressor, you can significantly reduce file size without having to manually tweak complex settings. The software intelligently balances quality, resolution, and bit rate, so you don't end up with videos that look overcompressed or blurry. What I like here is that you can clearly see the estimated output size before exporting, which helps you decide the right level of compression for your use case. This is extremely useful when you need faster uploads, smoother sharing, or better storage management while still keeping the video visually clean and watchable. For creators who work regularly with large files, this feature alone can make a huge difference. If you want to try Wondershare UniConverter for yourself, you'll find the links in the description below. It's a solid all-in-one tool that helps with enhancement, conversion, compression, and overall workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.